Foundation level. Objective 2.3.1. K2. Summarize maintenance testing and its triggers. Question 1. Your organization's test strategy suggests that once a system is going to be retired, data migration shall be tested. As part of what test type is this testing most likely to be performed? This is a straightforward question. Testing data migration when a system is retired is a form of maintenance testing. The correct answer is A. The second question. Which of the following is most likely to be a trigger that leads to maintenance testing of a currency exchange system? The syllabus mentioned that the triggers for maintenance testing on an operational system could be modifications, upgrades, migration, or retirement. A. The developers reported that changing the currency exchange system was difficult, and the testers decided to check if this was true. This is not correct. Checking if the system can easily be modified as part of maintainability testing, which has nothing to do with maintenance testing. B. The refund option of the currency exchange system was removed as it did not always repay the correct amount to customers. Removing a feature is considered a modification of the operational system. This will lead to maintenance testing. C. The Agile team has started developing a user story that adds a new customer loyalty feature to the currency exchange system. The Agile team is working on a new version of the software. The team will develop and then test the new feature. Maintenance testing is testing an operational system after upgrading to the new version. I am a little skeptical about this one. This will lead to maintenance testing somehow. D. The currency exchange system was reconfigured to support both English and local language currency transactions. If the system is configurable and we altered the configuration, then there's no need to do maintenance testing. You see, changing the configuration should have already been done during the system testing of the currency exchange system. There's confusion between answer options B and C. I would say option B is the correct answer, as option C takes a long way to reach maintenance testing. Option B is the most likely answer. I didn't like this question,